Launch VS Code. Go to Settings. Switch to the Real Settings Editor. Show menu bar. Switch to Custom Title Bar. Save and restart. You will notice that shadows are lost. Open up Settings. Go to Window Management. Window Rules. Create a new rule. Detect window properties. Click on the VS Code window. OK. Pick normal window. Choose a name. Appearance and fixes. Click on No Title Bar and Frame. Force, no. OK. Apply. Go to Application Style. Window Decorations. Edit the current style. Click on Window Specific Overrides. Add a new override. Click on Detect Window Properties. Pick the VS Code window. And click OK. Click Hide Window Title Bar. OK. That's it.